Just press buttons.
Yeah, you know what my favorite part is? Watching people explain my job to me.
Oh, wow.
So you're like, just press button, 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 button. Yeah, baby. That's the whole thing. Black tea, cold stare, neon lights and smoky air. One hand on the mixer, like I even care. Everybody backstage talking like critics of the baseline hit. Now they all act religious. Lots of laces, big ego. Everybody wanna be the hero. Touch one knob, whole room tilt. Cheap sunglasses, $billion guilt. Step one, look expensive. Step two, shake your fist like the kick drum owes you money. Step three, press the button.
Press
Button. Button. Hey. Button.
dirty bassline.
Clean synth.
Main stage lights go apocalypse.
Just pressing buttons, 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 just pressing buttons, 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 buttons. One button, 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 button. One button, one button. Slap the fader. Whole crowd goes feral.
Guy online say anybody can do it. Cool, bro. Then why your playlist sound like elevator music? I made bad decisions, sound cinematic. Girls on shoulders, boys get dramatic. Smoke machine, halo, laser beam rain. Everybody looking for somebody to blame. Hands up, lights down. Heartbeat sync with the whole damn town. You call it fake, but you still showed up.
Push the
This is so easy. Then why's the floor looking like a riot? Yeah, maybe I do just stand here. Maybe I do just press things. But somehow, you forgot your problems the second that kick drum landed. So, who really won here? Left side, let me press your buttons.